In this video, I will show you how you can use Object Eraser tool on any Samsung tablet. Now there are three methods to use the Object Eraser tool. For the first method, just open the Samsung Gallery app and select any photo from which you want to remove an object. And after that, just tap on Edit. And from here, just tap on the four dots over here. Now if your tablet supports the Object Eraser tool, it will be shown right here. As you can see, our tablet does not support the Object Eraser tool. Now, if your tablet does not support the Object Eraser tool, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just make sure you install the Google Photos app on your tablet. After you do that, then just tap on Open. And from here, just select a photo from which you want to remove an object. For an example, I will select this photo, then tap on Edit, and from here just tap on Actions. And in this section, you will find the option for Magic Eraser. Now just tap on Magic Eraser, and by using this tool, just circle over the object which you want to remove. Once it detects the object, just select Erase, and it will erase the selected object from your photo. Then just tap on Done to save. Select Save. And as you can see, we have successfully removed the object from our selected photo. But if the Google Photos on your tablet does not support this feature, or if the Object Eraser feature does not work on your Google Photos, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen and go back to the Google Play Store, but this time in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your tablet. Then tap on Open. Now on this page, just tap on Continue and select Remove Object. Tap on the X icon. Now just give this app all these permissions. Now from here, just select Remove Objects and select Allow All. Now from here, just select a photo from which you want to remove an object. For an example, I will select this photo. Now to remove an object, just mark over the object which you want to remove. After you mark over the object, then just tap on Remove. And as you can see, we have successfully removed the object from our photo. Now just tap on Next and select Save. And the photo will be saved to the Photos app on your tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can use the Object Eraser tool on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.